What's up, cruisers? It's your girl, Ebony Cruz from successwithebonycruz.com. Now, in this video, I want to show you how to create YouTube thumbnails for your videos. So you might be new to YouTube, trying to figure this thing out, haven't even reached your first 500 subscribers, but you're creating content. However, you see all these other creators with thumbnails and you're like, how do I do that? Well, on this channel, it's all about teaching you how to build that brand, create financial stability, all while doing it around your family and creating freedom, BFFs. So you guys have now become my cruisers that are BFFs. So you may want to stick around because I'm going to also share with you a tool, trick, and probably a YouTube family that's going to help you take off with your channel, because that's how it did me. So you may just want to stick around. All right, so you're ready to learn how to create thumbnails for your YouTube channel. So if you're kind of wondering what a thumbnail is because you're new to YouTube, let me share my screen and show you what a thumbnail is. All right, so first, let's just go here. All right, so you should be on my channel, and these are thumbnails. See, once you click on it, the video starts. Those are thumbnails. Those are things to drive interest to your viewers, okay? And like when I first started, I'm going to scroll way down. When I first started, I was not doing thumbnails at all. You see? And some of you may be in the same predicament, right? So I want to make sure that you all aren't doing that. And the crazy part about it is 2 of my top rated videos never had thumbnails, right? It was just me when I first started YouTube, did not know anything about YouTube, and I just wanted to create content. And ironically, I was very successful without a thumbnail. But now so many people like to have an eye-catching thumbnail to kind of tell them what the video is about, because they might not read the actual title of the video. So that's what thumbnails come in and they help you out. All right. So I'm going to stop share there, and we're going to talk about creating this thumbnail. Now, I use Canva, and for this video, we're going to talk about Canva, and it's because Canva is like a one-stop brand kit for you. So remember, this channel is all about building your brand, creating that financial stability, freedom, and family, right? So this is what we're all about, BFFs. I need you all to make sure that when you begin creating your brand, you have it all housed on one platform, right? So if someone asks you for your brand colors, boom, you got it. If someone asks you for your logo or a Facebook video or an Instagram animated video, you can pull it all together using your brand kit. Okay. So let's go to Canva. And if you don't have a Canva, that is totally cool. I have listed a link here in the description that you can sign up for the free. All right. Now, if you want to go pro, of course, allows you to do more, create that brand kit, but you may not be there quite yet. So I advise you to take baby steps to get going. Okay. So once you create your account, you sign in, you're probably going to see something like this. The only thing you're not going to see your designs because you haven't created any designs, right? This is where I was telling you about where your brand kit is. This is where you create your brand online, your color spectrum, you know, your videos, your posters for your event, Facebook videos, etc. Now, just so I don't get off topic, we're going to just go straight to YouTube thumbnails. And these are some sample thumbnails that you can pick from. Right? See how many thumbnails these are? You can just kind of, whatever grabs your eye, you can just select. Some are theme based. that'll help you out, especially like, say, for instance, you're into working out. I saw one up here. I love this workout one, right? Theme based for those of fitness videos, but you can also take this same thumbnail and do something else with it too. Now you'll notice that some are paid and some are free. Again, that depends on where you are. This account is my training account, so you're not going to see any of my brand kit in here, but when you decide to go pro, you have a lot of that on your account. And of course, these would not be paid anymore. They would be free because it comes now with your membership. Now for this video, we are going to create a thumbnail for this particular video. I selected this one as it's pretty simple, easy to use. Drop your photos in. And so say, for instance, you don't want to use the stock photo that is here. You can go to Canva photos and search a million different things. Let's just say girl laughing. And, you have different stuff. So remember, like I said, if you're pro, you get access to different things. If not, you got to use the free versions of stuff. All right. So I should have did this training in my pro account, but I kind of wanted to give you guys the vision if you just did free, because when you first sign up and you're not pro, the training is not going to make sense to you, because you're going to be like, she had so much access to things that I didn't have access to. All right. So you can pick up any photo you want. Again, it just varies. So this is a free that you could have used, and you could just pop it over, slide it over, change the photo. See how easy that is? All right, but say you want to use yourself, you want your face on there. So I also uploaded or downloaded some photos that I want to use, and so I'm just going to drop them in here right now, just to give you guys examples. And then the one thing I want to talk to you about too is that when you're getting ready to do a video, or you should have researched, prepared yourself for your video, you shouldn't just pop into a video. Like before you get your video, you should at least kind of like script it out a little bit, know what direction you're going in your bullet points. What are you talking about? If you're selling something in your video, if you're giving anything away, you need to make sure that you know all of that. So you notice I told you all when you first came on that I had the Canva to show you the tool, and also have a kit that you could use to help you grow your YouTube. It's a academy, and I use it, and I'll talk a little bit more about it towards the end of the video, but it allowed me to join this group of YouTubers and learn different tips and tricks, and just gave me access to resources to help me grow my channel. All right, so this picture here I took before I decided to do this video. It has the same color spectrum that I have on, etc. And allows people to know that they're on the right video. You can do that. You can do that if you want, right? Or say, for instance, I use one of my Snapchat videos. Look completely different, that filter, huh? Or just another picture, whatever picture you see fitting. For this video, I am going to use this one here, because again, it just matches what I have on. So once they click on the video, they'll see, oh, this thumbnail matches the video. All right, so this is a how-to. See how easy? Just highlight it. Create YouTube Can I type today, y'all? Thumbnails. All right, so let me stretch it out a little bit. And it looks like I have thumbnails spelled wrong here. Thumbnails. All right, boom. So we in there. But I don't know. Do I like it this large? I don't know. Do I like it like that? Move it down a little bit. You can play with it all you want. Okay. So that's kind of like the simple stuff. And this is going to be very simple. Now you want to make your picture more dynamic, right? You can go to adjustments, filter, crop, all types of things here. But we're going to go to adjustments, and we're going to saturate it a little bit, right? Give it a little brightness, right? Brighten that skin tone up a little bit, make the picture pop a little bit more. You see how I popped out more? Saturation is very good. It's really good for that. You can also change with brightening it up a little bit, the brightness, and also use different contrasts. So you can play with it until you get your picture, how you want it to get, again, it's just completely up to you. All right. So I'm going to come down a little bit. Not going to do too much. I think that's all right. All right. Okay. So I'm going to actually change this here to and I always brand my videos so people can get to know me, but you don't have to do that. So you see how easy that is? Now this is kind of like an empty space in here. So I'm going to move this up a little bit as well as this, but then I'm going to actually change the font size so it'll go down some, and then I can move that over a little bit more, because I don't want it too big in my face like that. You see that? There we go. There we go. And then because it is YouTube and some of my uploads I have uploaded YouTube, I could probably bring this in here. Let me go to my elements. Um, and see, this is what I'm saying. There's different things that you could do, right? Elements, I like to use these different grids when I want to change like the background of something, or if I want to add another picture. So I use these things here. And so see how I clicked on this rectangular shape element, but I'm going to go back to my uploads and then I'm going to just plug in my YouTube here. See that? Bam. But this isn't a monetization video, so I need to edit this. So this is here. I want to crop it, and then I'm just probably going to see if I can bring it up some, or maybe bring it down. It's not going to even let me crop it. Let me go get my other one. Let me cancel that. Let me just go down and find my other YouTube. See, I can just say subscribe, right? But I don't even really want to say subscribe. So if you look in here, I've done a lot of different videos, images, whatever. Here we go, YouTube. Put it in there. Let's crop it some, move it over. Oh man, that's still too big. I don't know. We may not be able to do that. Might not be able to do that. So maybe I'll put my logo in there. Bam. All right. So that lets them know this is the Ebony Cruz production video. I like that, Ebony Cruz production. So you see how simple this is. Now I'm just playing with this. I don't after this video, of course, I'll do some more stuff with it to make it look a little bit better, or whatnot. It may be pretty funky to add some cute little thumbnails in here so they can see thumbnails. I don't know. I'll just play with it a little bit. But this is just the basics of what to do. You want to make sure you name it. I normally name my thumbnails the same name of the video, so I can always go back and find it easily. But if you notice, Canva will kind of keep it all in the order as you create them. But you can definitely do your own little thing, especially when you do your brand kit. One of my next videos, I'll probably actually go into my pro account so you guys can see how that looks and how the brand kit looks too. But anyway, so I saved it as how to create YouTube thumbnails, and then we can download it. Boom. Download it. I always do the PNG. It is the best version of that photo. You can use it on anything. So I just download it. It's downloading for me here. It says that it has been downloaded, and I'm going to X out and let me click on it. I'm going to stop share so you guys can see the download. So let's go here, and here is the download, and boom, you have yourself a thumbnail. See that? Simple, easy, to the point. Of course, I'm going to play with it a little bit more to make it a little more eye-catching, make sure the words and all look kind of together, it all flows, so one font isn't bigger than the other. But it's just an easy way for you to get going. So if you're already doing your cooking channel, or you're hiking, or you're talking about kids, or whatever you're doing for your YouTube channel, and you're just posting videos, now you can create thumbnails. All right. So the last thing I wanted to show you all is the Video Ranking Academy. That is the group that I joined to help me build my YouTube subscribers from 1,000, to more. At this point, I think it was less than 1,000, but that way I could grow, right? So some of you that have just started may have 38 subscribers, 500, almost at 1,000, so close to monetization. You're wondering, like, what am I doing? So this group is an amazing group for you to join. It is Video Ranking Academy with Sean Cannell, and he is a top YouTuber. I'm just going to show you his channel and just show you some of the stuff that he does so you can like learn. But joining the academy helps you not only learn, but it allows you to kind of be in a space with other YouTubers. Okay, so let me go here, click on his channel. Bam. All right. You've probably seen him on YouTube with different YouTube ads. See, he was teaching you about short updates. We actually got this video inside of the group before he put it on social media. Talks a whole lot about building your YouTube channel, right? See that? Easy. boom, peasy. So that's what his program is all about. And I also shared my referral link in there so you guys can join us, come be a part of the VRA Academy crew and learn how to build your YouTube channel. So if you're just getting started, start putting those thumbnails on there. Do it, try it, play with it. The first one may not be the best, but at least you're working on it. And remember, I did my first 2 videos without YouTube thumbnails, and they're like my top 2 videos. So it doesn't matter that you do them or not. However, if you don't have a topic or you're not in a niche that people are searching, you want a thumbnail that will grab the attention of those. Okay. So check out the Canva link in the description. Get started with your free account. If you're ready to upgrade to Pro to build that brand kit, do that. And also make sure you join us in the next VRA class. They are starting every single day. And we welcome you to the community so you can learn, share what you're doing, what's working for you, what's not, and get tips from other YouTubers just like myself to help you grow your channel. So hope you enjoyed the content of this video. If you would like me to do any additional videos, be sure to let me know in the comments. Share, I like to hear, like it, subscribe. And if you didn't like it, let me know that too. Until next time, cruisers, let's keep on guiding that cruise to success. And I will see you hit those dreams one day at a time, because we can definitely build financial stability on our own, building a brand that we create, because it's like our nature. Like, that's what we do. See you next video.